Hello, welcome back to BSLIVE. This is gonna be the shorter version on how to create a PBR seamless texture using AI DreamTexture add-on and material map generator. Okay, so this is we have some examples of the monkey heads with the PBR texture that's being generated using DreamTextures. So I have this setup that's using the Dream Studio backend. If I run it locally on my machine, it's gonna take like 4 or 5 minutes. But if I use Dream Studio, it's gonna take a few seconds only. So we have an example here, corroded metallic, but this is like a prompt that I get from Lexica. Let's try and get something that's also a little bit more interesting and just maybe try this one. Time traveling machine futuristic. Oh, detailed photography. I just gonna paste it into here. I have the texture set up, size 512 by 512, image, steps set to 20, hit generate. It's gonna send my prompt into Dream Studio. In just a few seconds we get the result. And I enable texture seamless. I believe it's seamless. Okay, I cannot actually make it seamless if I send it to Dream Studio. If I, however, send it to local, I can turn on seamless. In that case, anyhow, we have a result from Dream Studio. Maybe I can have like a seamless prompt, seamless texture. Metal control. We actually have some example of texture here already. We can just use this, but anyway, I copy the prompt, seamless bluestone texture. I just gonna paste it into the prompt here, send it to Dream Studio. In just a few seconds we get a result. Keep pressing until you find the one that you actually like. Maybe metal, cyberpunk, mechanical texture, generate. Maybe I like this one, for example. I'm just gonna save as. I will put it inside material map generator folder and put it under input. And so this I will just run it, Python generate.py with CPU, and it's gonna process it for us. So basically there's this add-on, material map generator. This is for Blender, was just created 10 days ago. It's currently only working on Windows and Linux. It's hopefully the Mac version is coming soon, but anyhow, it's using PyTorch to kind of guess what type of texture, and then it's gonna generate PBR for us. This was actually based on this material map generator by Joy Valentin, which is this one over here that you can just download as a zip. You unzip it, so basically you put just what I did, right? You can actually make it seamless. You can mirror and replicate, you know, those sort of things. But anyhow, if you have something that's being generated, you can create seamless texture. And we just need to wait a few seconds. Yeah. So as a result, we can have like a PBR texture, and we can simply apply it to Suzanne, for example. Let's see if I make a new material. This should take a few seconds. In the meantime, we can take some inspiration from Lexica. Okay, we don't need to specify seamless texture, just cyberpunk complex machine. If this one moves, then if this one completed, we can apply the material. I do quite like this kind of look. Copy from, paste here. Yeah, however, yeah, this one might work as a texture because it's flat. Complex machine, submarine. Okay, this one's completed. We get some outputs. Put this into a folder. Rename this into diffuse. Let's say metal glass. Okay. In Blender, if we already have node wrangler, select Suzanne, assign a new material, Ctrl+Shift+T, select all. Now we can scale the texture. We know that this is seamless. Let's adjust the strength of the normal until you're happy, and then displacement, you need to enable bump and displacement. Get this result, adjust the displacement strength. There you go. So that's a PBR texture that's being generated using DreamTexture connected to Dream Studio, and it's make it seamless, and then we turn it into PBR using material map generator. Okay, hopefully you find this useful. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.